happy to join you this afternoon at the Silver Fitness and Wellness Carnival in conjunction with the HDB Community Week 2019. This event is also supported by the HDB's Friendly Faces, Lively Places Fund, which aims to encourage community-driven projects to develop stronger place identity and build bonds in the heartlands. Today, students from Temasek Poly and volunteers from HDB's Friends of Our Heartlands network will be interacting with more than 1,000 residents at this carnival. With a good outcome, Temasek Polytechnic and HDB are looking to sustaining this collaboration in a more structured manner. So in addition, they will also be broadening the collaboration to include opportunities beyond the FFLP. So today, I'm very happy to announce that HDB will be signing a Memorandum of Understanding with Temasek Polytechnic to partner them for the next 3 years.